What is new technology? Oh, so many new technologies are emerging. Let me search for best technologies. So many new age technologies. What's best for me? I am confused now.
So many questions in my mind. Where are the answers? Oh, this institute is providing all new age technologies. Let me see. What all new age technological courses this institute is providing. Ah, great. Artificial intelligence, AI, virtual reality, VR, machine learning, data science, Python, big data, cyber security, robotics, blockchain, 3D print, digital learning, Microsoft Office, cloud computing and security. So many courses at a single platform. Great. What's the website name? Let me go through it sincerely. It's a question of my career. I need to choose the best. These courses are for every student, be it professionals, millennials, entrepreneurs, from 6 to 12 standard, graduates, PGs, engineering etc. Our institute vision: the institute will be a world leader in preparing professionals who can provide leadership and exemplary educational and related services to improve the lives of individuals in a digitally changing and complex global society.
Our mission is to inculcate curiosity and inventiveness in the mind of every passionate learner, develop purpose of life and making the future ready at the hypersonic speed into a global knowledge or information age. In today's world of artificial intelligence, robotics and the fourth industrial revolution, we prepare professionals and students for uncertainty and promote agility and adaptability.
Why PPDi? Because we provide all future technology courses at a single platform. Secondly, online teaching platform with interactive individual attention. We have professional teachers from corporate who provides hands-on training in each of the courses. Our teaching is bilingual, keeping in mind the Hindi-speaking population. Students can attend from anywhere. Classes at flexible timings, weekend and weekday classes. We provide class recordings, live projects, practical approach in teaching and live case studies. At last, one of the big highlights is that we provide placement assistance to each student. Let's go through in details of each of the courses. Number 1 is artificial intelligence. Let's see the future of AI. It is permeating every major industry from healthcare to transportation, education, finance and insurance. AI is contributing to a transformation of society, happening 10 times faster and a roughly 3,000 times the impact of the Industrial Revolution. AI is shaping the future of humanity across nearly every industry. It is already the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics and IoT, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. In this sector, nearly 1 lakh plus jobs are waiting to get filled, where an expert student in the field can get a salary of up to 25 lakhs or more. We have advanced to expert level certificate courses available for any student who can join weekend and weekday classes. They can join from anywhere online. In the expert level artificial intelligence course, each student will get expertise in machine learning, data science and Python also. Do not wait. Make a career in fast emerging AI sector. Register on our website www.ppdiinstitute.in.
So make a smart decision. Join the future technology revolution. These technologies are the future. You have to be a part of it by default. Special discounts in fees approximately 50 to 60%. Best of the teachers with live case studies. Be future ready for the next 15 years revolution. 100% placement assistance guarantee. No age bar, anyone can learn from any background. Basic, advanced and expert level courses.